In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals of 0 upper key in array input method. And 0 upper, we have 0, 1, 0, 3, and 0, 4. And they all belong to letter P on your keyboard. And 0, according to the fundamental key, is square. 1 is horizontal, 3 is vertical, and 4 is cross. And let's begin with 0, 1. So 0, 1, you can see here, left hand side, this is begin with a square outside and 1 horizontal inside. So 0, 1, 0 upper. And continue, here's a 7 lid, 7 middle. And continue square, 0 middle. And last we have fire, 8, 8, a lower key, and space. Okay, the next 0, 1 is right here. Okay, so we begin with 9, 2. 9 as in left falling, and 2 left turn. 9, 2 is the first radical. 9, 2, 9 upper. And continue 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And the next row right here is a 2 left turn, so 2 middle. And last, this is 8, 0, 1, 0 upper. And space. Okay, continue. We have these two. They are wider, but they are also 0, 1. So in Chinese, we have thinner and wider version, and they are not the same. So in this case, we still pick 0, 1. Alright, for this one, begin with 5, 1. 5 right turn and end with 1 horizontal. 5, 1, 5 upper. And continue, we have a 4, 1. 4 cross, 1 horizontal. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And last one, this is square and horizontal, 0, 1, 0 upper, and space. Alright, next one, first row, 1 horizontal, 1 middle, and continue 0, 1 in the middle, so 0 upper. And last, we have a 9, 8, 9 as in left falling, and 8 right falling, 9, 8, 9 lower, space. Alright, the next, see, 1, 2, 3. According to the stroke, they are 7 lid and 1, 1, but the array input method put it here as 0, 1 because you'll see some people write just like these one. So these three belong to 0, 1. Okay, so in this case, 0 upper begins. And the next is 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And this one radical is 3, 1, 3 vertical, and with 1 horizontal, 3, 1, 3 upper. And the last radical, 5, 8, 5 lower, space. Next one, still 0, 1, 0 upper. And we have the 7 exception, 7 middle, space. Next, hard is 6, 6, 6 lower. And continue, 0, 1, 0 upper. And this one is 0, 8, 0 lower. And last we have 5, 8, 5 lower, and space. Alright, the next two 0, 1 radicals. Let's see. Here's a square 0 and 1. See, this 1 horizontal gets through. Okay, just like this one. And you might ask why there's a cross here, because this vertical stroke is all the way from the last row in this part. So it's all the way from the bottom here, gets through. So if you take a look, this one, this is a 0, 1. Alright. Okay, so for this, go back for this one. This dot 6, 1 horizontal, 6, 1, 6 upper. And continue 0, 1, 0 upper. And the next row is a 9, left falling, 9 middle. And continue, this is a 2, 8, 2 as in left turn, 8, 2 dots, 2, 8, 2 lower, space. Alright, next one. 0, 1 begins, so 0 upper. And continue, this is a square without this 3, because 3 is the last row in this part. So 0 square, 0 middle. And continue, we have 3 vertical here. 3 vertical, so 3 middle. Alright, we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is right here. This is a 9, 8. 9 left falling and 8 right falling. 9, 8 is at 9 lower space. Alright, the next 0, 1 radical is right here at the bottom without the first row. You see the first row is 1 horizontal. And continue, we have this square and end with this row right here. So this radical is 0, 1, 0 upper. And continue 0, 1 again, so 0 upper. And we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is right here. 4 cross, 1 horizontal, 4, 1, 4 upper space. Alright, the last 0, 1 radical is right, the upper part begins the square here and end with the last row 1. So 0, 1, 0 upper. And 4 dots, 8, 8, 8 lower space. First one. Alright. Continue. I'm introducing 0, 3. There's only one radical. It's just right here in the middle. Outside is a square and 3 vertical inside. So for this character, begin with the 7 lit, 7 middle. And continue in the middle, we have 0, 3, 0 upper. And last is 9, 8. The first row 9, left falling, and 2 dots here, 8, 9, 8 is at 9 lower, and space. Alright, and the last radical 0, 4, and 0 upper key. We have, let's take a look. The first one is right here. 0, 4, 0 square outside and 4 cross inside, 0, 4, okay. So for this one, 0 upper. And this is a 8, 4, 2 dots 8 cross, 8, 4. 8, 4 is at 8 upper and space. Next one, very top, we have 0, 4, 0 upper. And continue, we have 8 here, 8 fundamental key, A middle. And 2 verticals right here, 3, 3. 3, 3 is at 3 upper and space. Alright, the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0, 4 radicals. For these two, they have radicals if you look them up in the dictionary, which they have a frame outside and some radicals inside, like these two. And these two is that array input method to distinguish 0 fundamental key and these two with some radicals inside. So in this case, exceptions, we put 0 forward. Otherwise, you can't tell this simply square, and these with the square and something, some radicals inside. Okay, so for this case, we press the outside frame 0, 4, 0 upper first. And we go back to the middle. This is a 4 cross, 4 middle, and square 0 middle. Alright, continue. Square outside 0, 4, and continue. This is a 4, 1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal, 4, 1, 4 upper. And it's a square with nothing inside, so no questions, 0 middle. Alright, we've done 3. We pick the last one, which is right here, 2, 8, 2 lower space. Alright, the next one, let's see, the first row is 9, left only, 9 middle. And continue with a square and something inside, so 0, 4, 0 upper. And we go to inside this is a 9, left falling, 9 middle. Alright, we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is right here. This row is a 5, so 5 middle. fundamental key, space. Alright, next one, still the same. First row, one horizontal, one middle. And the second row is a 9 left falling, 9 middle. And continue, we have a square with something inside. So this square right here is 0 upper. And the last radical is right here. This is a 3 1. 3 vertical and with 1 horizontal, 3 1, 3 upper, and space. Alright, the last 0 4 radical is right here in the middle, you can see. So you can see these here, right? They are separated, not like this one. If this one gets through, okay? So in this case, this is a 0 4. Outside square and cross inside. So for this one, hand is a 9 4, 9 upper. And continue, this is a 3 2. First row 3 and end with this 2, left turn 3 2, 3 upper. And continue. Here is the 0 4, 0 upper. And last we have a 5 9, 5 right turn and 9 left falling, 5 9, 5 lower, and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals. In array input method of 0 upper key, letter P on your keyboard, we have 0 1, 0 3, and 0 4. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about array input method, I'll try my best to answer your questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.